Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete Snapchat account permanently, simple steps step by step clearly. To permanently delete your Snapchat account, start by opening the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Log in with your username and password if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, select the gear icon located in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down to find the support section and tap on I need help. In the search bar, type delete account and select the relevant result. You will see a brief overview of the deletion process. Tap on the accounts portal link provided in the instructions. This will redirect you to the Snapchat account portal webpage. Log in again with your Snapchat credentials if prompted. Once logged in, you will see the option to delete your account. Read the information provided about account deletion carefully. If you're ready to proceed, confirm your decision by clicking on the Delete My Account button. Snapchat will then take you to a confirmation screen, indicating that your account is set to be deleted. Remember, your account will not be permanently deleted for 30 days. During this period, you can reactivate your account if you change your mind. After 30 days, your account and all its associated data will be permanently removed. Make sure to save any important information or memories before. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.